Time for me to add my fragrance. Okay, so I have 10 ounces of baking soda in here and 1 ounce of cream of tartar, and I have my fragrance Cocoa Mida Purple Bentine, which is, you probably hear it as Bubble Up, and I have 3 fragrances in here. Oh my gosh, it smells weird, but a good weird. I have some orange essential oil and a bit of eucalyptus. So I'm going to pour this in here and mix this up. That's weird. Let me go see what the problem is. That's very weird. So, guess what happened? My stand blender is gone. It's finito, finish, no more, that's it, it's done. So I'm just gonna have to mix it in manually. I didn't add my I did not add my citric acid, so I'm gonna do that, come back and mold. Alright guys, okay, so I'm here with my mixed, I got it all my mixture here mixed up. And is this sky blue just pretty? What a pretty blue. Anyways, I am going to be making an interesting bath bomb here. I'm just using one color and you'll see why. Alright guys, so this is the bath bomb that I am making, and for me to get this out of this plastic mold here, I'm hitting the top along the stems, along here, and let's see. It's a pain to loosen up this. And I gotta be careful with this mold because it's fragile. And let's put it back in the mold. Okay. Didn't quite go in. And voila. this is the last one, and I am finished making these for now, and I'll bring you back when it sets up.